Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Maybel Kilang. I'm 41 years old. I'm married. I have two kids, one boy and one girl. My son is 18 years old and my daughter is 12 years old. I have work experience as domestic helper in Saudi Riyadh in 2 years. Family member is 6. My main duties is take care the 4 children. They are 14 years old, 11 years old, 5 years old, and 2 years old. Also do cleaning and cooking. After finish my contract, apply as domestic helper in Doha, Qatar in 2 years. Family member is 6. My main duties is take care the 4 children. They are 11 years old, 9 years old, 5 years old, and 1 year old. Also do cleaning and cooking. Ma'am, sir, I'm willing to learn how to cook a Chinese dishes. Ma'am, sir, I want to work in Hong Kong to support my family and to follow your instruction. Ma'am, sir, thank you so much and have a nice day.